So in Texas, if you are caught driving without a valid driver's license, that is a crime. That is a misdemeanor crime, and you can and probably will get a ticket. Now, we're not criminal defense lawyers, we're not traffic ticket lawyers, but that's kind of where that starts. Now, if you have a valid driver's license and you just don't have it on you, don't have it on your person and in your possession, that's also a no-no, but it's obviously not as big of a deal, and it can usually be forgiven if the proper steps are taken afterwards. Where the lack of a driver's license comes into play more for people like us, for personal injury law firms, is when people let someone borrow their car and that person doesn't have a valid driver's license. That is considered, and that person goes on and causes a car accident, that's considered negligent entrustment per se in Texas, which means you don't have to have knowledge that this person is an unsafe driver. Just the fact that they don't even have a valid driver's license to begin with is all the evidence the court needs to say that is negligence. You cannot let someone who doesn't have a license borrow your car. That's called negligent entrustment per se. And we see this happen every now and then. We even see cases where 18-wheelers or commercial vehicles are driven by people who don't have valid commercial driver's licenses. And that's a huge problem, of course. And so, don't let someone borrow your car that doesn't have a valid driver's license. And if you obviously get hit by somebody without a driver's license, then that is not just a negligence case against that person, but it's usually also a negligent entrustment case against the owner of that vehicle, if that's a different person. So something to think about, something to look out for, and thanks.